And everyone says you need to be data-driven in social media, but no one shows what that actually looks like. Now, maybe because it looks different for each team, or maybe because, like me, you cried the first time you had to make a dashboard. Either way, I'm going to share what being data-driven can look like for me at Funnel. Hi, I'm Leia, and welcome back to my weekly behind the scenes of a social media manager at a B2B SaaS company. I recently saw someone say that their boss had never asked them for a social media report or insights. I can't really say I'm surprised because so many social media managers either work solo or in silos. But even if your boss doesn't ask, you should still strive to be data-driven. So here are 3 examples of how I do that with social media. Firstly, with automated dashboards like this one. I'll admit I'm spoiled with this at Funnel because our platform literally lets marketers centralize their marketing data and make automated dashboards. But I used to handle my data manually in spreadsheets and can confidently say that making custom dashboards that actually have the relevant insights that you want on them is so helpful. Speaking of digging, here's my second point. Checking data on individual posts. While you should have dashboards for an overview, you will learn so much by checking analytics on individual posts. For example, last year on Funnel's LinkedIn, I noticed a surge in impressions on some of our polls when we asked very specific questions. So I made more similar polls, which, to no surprise, also performed well. Or on my personal socials where I share my hobbies and lifestyle content. I've noticed my 10-second filmed on the spot, barely edited videos are the ones that end up going really viral. But even if the numbers look good, those videos can bring in a mass audience of people that won't engage with other content types. So I then make the data-driven decision to be more frugal with those posts. And my third example, research and analyzing trends. And no, not just TikTok trends. This could be phrases, content formats, comments. The whole point of trends is relatability and joining the party, right? And you can find that in so many ways. For example, on LinkedIn, I've seen the phrase 2 things can be true at once slowly being used more. Or on Instagram, I'm sure you will have seen people using very decorated carousel posts or even trending comments, which was explained perfectly last month by Millie McKenzie. So again, do research so you can pick up on trends that are relevant to you. Now, don't get me wrong, there are many ways to be data-driven and every team's priorities are going to be different. But I hope these examples can either help guide you or validate the way that you're already working. As mentioned, I have tagged the LinkedIn creator Millie in the caption. I really recommend you go and follow her. And as usual, I'll be back with another behind the scenes video every week. So if you have any topics you want me to discuss, just let me know.